Hey guys, just wanted to drop a quick video to get you updated on why these websites are currently down. Looks like we've had some DDoS attacks on the site and or on the server, and we are going to start putting some measures in place to make sure this doesn't happen again. But in the meanwhile, allow the tech guys that are currently hosting these sites to do whatever they have to do to prevent this. And let me give you a little bit of information in this video so you guys are aware of what's going on. But no worries, everything is still safe and secure, and these are part of the growing pains. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, I wanted to drop a quick video to keep you guys up to speed on what's going on with the sites. I know they've been down for a couple hours now, and I've been working with the tech support, the team that is hosting these websites, and ultimately, I don't think they are sufficient to continue with them. But let me key you in on some chats that I've had. We actually had a DDoS attack yesterday. They were able to resolve this within a 30-minute span of time. And here is the conversation that I had with them. I told them from the jump, check and make sure you know what the problem is. And they did confirm that it was a DDoS attack on the server. So we kind of exchanged a little bit back and forth. And they ultimately had it up. It was down for maybe about 30 minutes yesterday. Well, this morning we have another DDoS attack, and it's been going on for 2 hours. The team is over there working on it now as we speak, and they are failing to give me a good estimated time that it will be completed. So in the meantime, guys, while I am working on some things to get around these high fees on the Bitcoin blockchain, I am going to have to divert my attention now to dealing with this issue and finding a host that will better support DDoS attacks. So I will be focusing on that. But this is a good thing, guys. We are early in the stages of the project. We see we have some haters out there already that are trying to bombard it with a lot of traffic to prevent access to the world. But this is a good thing because we need to weed out these type of things that are going on. So bear with me, guys. I am on it, fully aware of it, and the information on the front end sites have no valid or critical information that could be taken. So most everything basically that is relevant, your Bitcoin, their own nodes, all of the important back-end information is on a completely different system. The only thing is on these front-end websites is just to interface with you guys. So there's no information being lost. Any Bitcoin you send or have in your wallets, it will still be there once these front-end sites come back up. They say they're working on it, and who knows when this is going to be ready. But they are fully aware. Once the sites come back up, I'm sure you guys can just go out there, log in, and they'll be back up and running as normal. But like I say, in the meantime, guys, I will be searching for some other hosting providers outside of the US and that are able or better able and equipped to support DDoS attacks like within 5 to 10 minutes just to get over that, because I see this is a normal trend that's going to be happening, and we want to put measures in place to make sure it does not affect the sites like it's doing now. So like I say, guys, bear with me. Know that all of your accounts and wallets are safe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Also, if you know any hosting providers that are outside of the United States and that provide excellent DDoS protection, please feel free to leave them in the comments as well. So I will be reviewing that information. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this one. Just wanted you guys to be updated on what's happening with the site so you don't be overly concerned. All right, guys, we'll holla on the next one. Peace out.